Good morning. So, I wanted to share something with you. You may remember a couple weeks ago, I did a video on not microwaving popcorn, but on cooking popcorn without a microwave. And I used this thing called the original Whirley Pop. And they said up here, free popcorn party set offer inside. So I opened it up. And it said that they would give me all this stuff. So first, they give you a few warranties. And then it says 2 Real Theater all-inclusive popping kits. Free 4 individual authentic popcorn serving tubs. Tips and tricks guide for making great popcorn and complete popcorn party guide. So I sent off for that using this code. And I'll show you what they sent me. I received this in the mail yesterday. Let me adjust the camera so you can see it better, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. Again, they did charge me $5 for shipping. So let's see if it was a good amount spent. Some funky scissors. Let's see. Okay, I think I cut this way. Alright, ready? Let's see what I first pull out. Okay, a few items. Okay, what's this? Thank you for registering your popper and welcome to our farm. So it talks a little bit more about their items. It goes over their free stuff. And they said no need to call for customer service. Call in and ask for Amy, Rachel, Kelly, or myself. And that's Danny, the president. So you can actually call and talk to the president of Whirley Pop. So, well, actually, it's not Whirley Pop. This is by Wabash Valley Farms. And it is an Indiana company. I found out later. They actually have a 219 area code. That's the northwest part of Indiana. So, I should call them just to see what happens. I don't know. Let's see. So, what else do I have here? This is, like a catalog, it looks like. Yeah, it's basically a catalog. Okay, so we have that. And what is this? Ooh, how to throw a popcorn party. So, I guess this is the party guide. Oh, it's cute. They talk about invitations, the food. Isn't the popcorn going to be the food? Oh, they talk about making a popcorn bar. That's cool. And then they talk about doing decorations. And then using yellow and white balloons to make popcorn. And then the entertainment. They said, make your own beanbag toss using popcorn. Pin the popcorn on the bucket. Okay, interesting. Oh, there's step 5 are the favors. So, and then they have places where you can find recipes. Alright, so we have that. And then this, 10 quick tips for making great popcorn. So, yeah, season the pan, know your popping corn, less is more, patience is a virtue. Store popping corn in an airtight container. And avoid the refrigerator. Oops, I did that with some popcorn. Not a lot though. And it did kind of mess it up. Add a little moisture. And deck the halls. Oh, they talk about how to make popcorn garland. Oh, there's more tips. Indulge your sweet tooth. Shake no salt before it's time. And come clean. They said basically you can just wipe out your Whirley Pop. You don't have to fully wash it. Oh, and it's a coupon for 15% off the next purchase. Oh, that's very nice. Inspires January. I don't know when the year is. And then, let's see, there's more. Oh, a little cardboard. This is cute. So you can fill this up with popcorn. Little popcorn boxes like you'd have at the movie theater. What else is in here? Oh, it's kind of like, it's a set similar to what my brother gave me. Oh, that's neat. But it doesn't have quite as much popcorn. But this is made exactly, supposed to be exactly right for the Whirley Pop. So I'm going to have to show you how that goes. So we have one of those. And two of those. Real theater popcorn. Anything else? Nope, that's all there is, folks. But that's not too bad. I mean, for $5, you know, I got a coupon for my next purchase. I got 2 things of popcorn. I got these cute little things that I can use if I, you know, decide to have some fun. Nice little catalog. Some tips and hints. You know, a nice little letter ensuring that they stand behind their product. That's really nice. And some more tips right here. So that's pretty good. You know, it's exactly what they said they were going to send. Alright, so I'm going to fix me some popcorn today. My show's about to come on. I just need to find something to open it with. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So basically it says open the kit and pour all ingredients into your popper and place the popper on the stove. So it has the butter right here. The butter. It has the salt and then the popcorn. So let me go ahead and pour all those inside there. Well, it's not really butter. It's, I don't know what this, let me see what kind of oil this is. Look what it looks like. Oh, I lost a kernel of corn. You hear it pop on the floor? Let's see. Well, it has no trans fat. Well, that's a lot of sodium. I should have held some of that salt back. I don't like salt like that. Oh well. Should have thought first. But that's coconut oil that's in there. Yep. Alright. So let me get this to the stove. Okay, I decided to take some of that salt out of there. I wonder if I can. That's a lot of salt. I wonder if that's kosher salt. Because kosher salt doesn't taste that salty. It said to pour it all in there. Well, I got like a teaspoon of that salt out. And I get some more. I do this. And then I'll just pop the kernels back in there. Pop, pop, pop. Popcorn kernels. Okay, well, I got quite a bit of the salt out. Well, not quite a bit, but like a third of it. Alright, I'm going to put that to the side. Alright, now I'm going to take it to the stove. Alright, so you've seen this part before. I do the crank. Here's the crank over medium heat. And then I'll show you the results in just a moment. Alright? Okay, so it just finished popping. And I did find out this is kosher. Right here, I don't know if you can see that. This right here, the U means that, or is it the D? I think the U means it's kosher. I'll have to look that up. It's been a while. I wonder what the D means. I'll have to look that up. But I think the U with the circle means it's kosher. So that means the salt isn't as salty as most salt would be. But it does smell, you know, it says movie theater popcorn. And it does smell like the movie theater in here. So I wonder if movie theater popcorn is kosher. So let's see what this popcorn looks like. Oh, it's all yellow, just like you would get in the movie theater. Ow, it's a little hot. Dang, it's a lot of popcorn. Did I get all of it? Yep, I got all the popcorn. So I'm going to go ahead and put the salt that I the salt that I took off there back on. And there goes my popcorn for my little TV viewing tonight. That's good too. It actually tastes, to me this tastes better than what you would make with a microwave. Look how pretty my popcorn looks. Okay, well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I just wanted to see how the Whirley Pop manufacturers, or the Wabash Farms that manufacture the Whirley Pop, how their popcorn turned out. It's good. But it's still a little saltier than I like. I don't like a lot of salt. Just a sprinkle will do. Alright, but it's good. I'm sure a normal person, like I'm abnormal, but I'm sure most people will find it fine. I just don't put a lot of salt in my food. Okay, well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.